I've officially reached my last stop of the day. I'm at Street of Shops. Last time I was here, it wasn't filming. I was with my buddy Joss. I am gonna go in. I finally have more than an hour to myself. I always am crunched for time here. So let's go in and see what we can find. Well, I see the little January panda. That is adorable. The Napkaware bone china. What I'm really curious about is what is as is about this bracelet. For $3, I kind of feel like maybe we can fix that. It would help if I showed it, wouldn't it? Yeah, that's really cool. I think you could even use that for parts. I'm gonna grab that. Now, I also have to say, I have that poodle set in my sale already in white. If you're wondering why I'm not grabbing that for $11, it's a little bit more than I'd like to spend. For black, I feel like the black don't sell that well. The white didn't do that well for me last time, actually, now that I think about it, but I got the set for like $3, so. Well, this orange stood out to me. How much is it though? 22. Yeah. I don't see anything else. This is so cute. Jocelyn pointed that out to me last time. I like the random booths. These are so fun. Oh my gosh, and they're in their original packaging. Wait, is it all of them for $6.50? Tumbling twins made in Japan. Oh, how cool. $6.50. Well, especially because they're in their original packaging. Those are whoa, hello. Lisa Frank everywhere. Dude, what? Oh, and of course now I'm second guessing myself and getting crazy. Whoa, Lisa Frank stickers too. 3 sheets, $6.50. I feel comfortable about that. This is missing some. Is this missing some? Doesn't look like it is. I just realized that my camera wasn't even on. I was saying, I think I'm gonna take a gamble with the Lisa Frank stickers. The one that's not missing any at $6.50. I was also really excited to see the scratch and sniff stickers. Unfortunately, those are at $12 each. And the puffy stickers, I mean, all pretty good prices, but definitely more than I'd like to have invested in it. Now I'm like, what else is in this booth? Yeah, I'm gonna go through this one. That's the fun thing about the craft booths. You never know what you're gonna find. Like, look, 1992 troll sticker book. Oh my gosh, that's so good. Jelly bean. This is hilarious. Now, do I think I could make money on all that Lisa Frank stuff? Probably, but I do think it's kind of a little bit of a gamble. So I'm only grabbing the stickers. Maybe by the time this posts, somebody will be like, oh my gosh, what's wrong with you? And then I'll go back and it will be gone and I'll know for next time. But in the meantime, I'm gonna lap around. See, I love the random booths because you just never know what you're gonna get. I need to know how much the witch is. How much do you think it's gonna be? I don't know. No clue. All the prices are all over the place and the tags turned around. So let's go find somebody with a key. Yeah, that definitely looks to be one of the older ones. And even though I see a little nick on its nose, I think it's Rubens. It's definitely, you know, it's something if I don't know how much it is and I'm waiting for a key. Now, the witch was what I would call a steal at $12. This is $9. Why is this only $9? I feel like that's a really good price. Yeah, the witch was Rubens Japan at $12. That was a no-brainer. I'm not sure if I'm gonna pick this up yet. All right, I decided to pass, but I'm excited to go downstairs. This is where the fun is. Again, sneaking through the craft booths. This caught my attention. Japan. Ooh, very broken, just kidding. Let's see, I don't see anything else. So I've spent the last like 20 minutes staring at this thing. I feel like I know what it is, but I don't know the name of it. It's $16, which is, I know, cheap. It's got the nose. Maybe I can phone a friend on this one. It's got no marking. Something about this is telling me to grab it, even though it's got the damage at 16 bucks. So funny. I know Rachel knows what it is. So I've been like texting her. I'm like, dude, what is that thing your mom likes? And she's like, oh, smiling pumpkins. I'm like, no, what is it called, dude? This is $2 and 20% off. It's a little bit on the newer side. I'd say probably 90s. I think it's fun though. Might be good for the fall fling train. Well, it's actually really heavy, so I'm gonna put it back. Probably weighs like 2 to 3 pounds, and that's gonna cost more to ship than I would like, considering it probably won't sell for that much. Yes, the buyer pays shipping, but I want it to be cost effective for the buyer as well as me. Oh my gosh, my friend Rachel's hilarious. She's still talking about her mom likes smiling pumpkins. I'm like, yes, but who makes them? This is kind of nice, periwinkle. Yeah, I usually get really lucky in this booth. The past couple times I've been here, it hasn't really been much my style. Well, this caught my attention for sure. Look at this vintage mushroom towel. Dang, tablecloth, $30 firm. That is not unreasonable. That's really fun. Oh, I like this funny little ghost thing. How funny. How many times can I say funny? These are super weird. Furry owls. They're hobbyist pieces, but they're kind of cool, honestly. I kind of want to get one. I like this one. It looks like a Furby. And it's leopard print for $5. Sure, why not? I feel like it probably won't make more than $1 or $2 off of it, but it's really fun. Whoa, check this out. It's like a peace cat. I've never seen that one. What is the maker? Convex. Made in England. It doesn't really squeak, but for $4, I'm gonna grab that. That's really different. Now this, of course, is one of our favorite spots to go to. Oh man, they always have such fun stuff in this booth. Let me not get carried away. I'm gonna start at the top. I have this set in my kitchen. What about this vase? How much is this at? That's a really pretty color. $16.50. That's super fair. I think I'm gonna grab that. Yeah, that's a very different color. I'll grab that. Let's see, what else do we have up here? What is this? Well, that's cool too. Love the lucite trivet, although I kind of love the one I got more. $6.75 Siamese cat. That's a good one. Ooh, that's cool. Milkweed paperweight. $10. I've been picking up a lot of those recently. They're kind of hit or miss for me. I'm just getting a little bit pickier since it's towards the end of the day. I know there's a lot of good stuff here, but I think I'm gonna call it. How much was this? This is cool. The little stone carved. That's a really good price. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. How much are these? 4-piece. Okay, but how much are you? Characters, chalkware characters, $80. Okay. Dang. Dude, I love these so much. But that's definitely more than I'd like to pay, especially with the chipping. Oh, that's so good. Now, I was about to bypass. I was kind of booking it towards the end of the, what's it called? Aisle. When I saw this kind of stuck out to me. $12 Louisville stoneware cat mug. That's cool. I feel like that's probably a really good deal. But again, not really my thing. If it was cheap enough, I would grab it without asking. Another thing that kind of caught my attention was the punch board. This graphic is everything. This one's cool. These are usually really expensive. Oh my gosh. I think I'm gonna grab both of these. I love, this one's my favorite. Yeah, I kind of feel like candy board. Wow, these are so cool. I don't know how well that one would do. I feel like it's definitely worth more than $15. This one is a name brand chocolate. I'm definitely getting that. So the question is, do I want to get both? Now, if the cigarettes one had any type of risque portrait situation happening, I would definitely grab that too, even at 20. I've been trying to get service down here forever. Oh my gosh, how cute. 10 bucks, not bad. That would be good for the dog train. Again, it's a little bit more than I'd like to pay since it's something I've had before. Ooh, hello. Look at this lucite number. This is $11 and 10% off, so 10 bucks. Now that's totally worth 10 bucks to me. That's fantastic. Really happy colors too. I'll take that. Whoa, look at her. Is she chipped? $12. These usually sell pretty well. They're pretty hard to find. Again, that's a really fair price, but just a little bit more than I'd like to have in it. I know I can make money off of it. I'm just being kind of weird. I'm a little shopped out. I'm almost done though. Well, I'm glad I didn't grab both the candy punch boards because it turns out, just as I had suspected, the candy ones sell for less than the cigarette ones. But because of the name brand and the graphic on this, I'm comfortable with 15. Oh my gosh, look at how cute this little planter is. I've had this one before, but 20 bucks. Yeah, that's about what those sell for. Oh, look at the seal squeak. Or walrus, I mean. That's adorable. I love the Bathing Beauty. Again, at 20. All this stuff is really good stuff. And I could make a couple bucks here and there off some of it. But again, just not enough margin to justify. And this rabbit planter is a really good one. It does have some chips on the ear. $8. Oh no, I've picked this one up before. It's like super repaired. Just kidding. So these are all passed for me. And that one's a little bit newer. And again, priced at retail. The Poodle salt and pepper shakers are at 20. So I think I'm gonna go upstairs here. Oh my God, I want this so bad. Oh my gosh, I even hiccuped. So cool. Dude. Should I get this? Do I need this? All right, I calm down. I do really want that. But I don't think I can justify buying another swag lamp when I have two in my closet unhung. Well, that concludes that. I spent $75 in there. I am shopped out. And I will see you guys tomorrow at 10 a.m.